Hello and welcome, friends. Today I am going to teach you a very good thing which I have discovered recently, and it is how you can edit a web page even if you don't own it. Yeah, even if you don't own it. For example, let me start. I am going to my website www.explorersofFun.com and you all also visit to it. See, this is my site in which I have written all my blogs, and yeah, you can contact me if you have any queries using this given form, which shall load in a minute. Yes, contact us. You can contact me using this form. Yeah, so see, I have typed it in the browser and I have not opened the site to edit it. I am viewing it just like a normal viewer. So how to edit this site? See, right click and click on the when this toolbar opens, click on the inspect button in the lowest one. And if you are a keyboard shortcut lover, then click on Control Shift and I. Yeah, by clicking these three buttons you can place it in the place you are comfortable with. Like if you are a lefty, you might prefer this place, or if you want it at the down screen, then you can get it over here, and if you want it on the right side, you can get it over here. I prefer it on the right hand side of my browser. So now to edit any element, for example, I want to edit this title. Click on this on this cursor over a square, and then click the element you want to edit. For example, this title, and see, now this HTML code of it gets highlighted. Now double click on the text and write, for example, my best blog website, and click on enter. See, it got edited. Like this you can edit anything. For example, you can edit the whole button text. Click on this, contact me, and you can say hello everyone, and click on enter. See, this happens everywhere. You can edit any page on this website. You come on this page, for example, or yeah, you come on my blog page and you can edit any of the blogs which I have written. Yeah, and I also want to tell you that as this is my website, please read these blogs of mine. They shall help you greatly. Yeah, so for example, now I want to edit this element, then click over here and see, this opens up, and now you can edit this page. Yes. So now you might be thinking that I might be lying as this is my own website. So I shall show it to you with some other website too. For example, let us take Google. So this is Google now. We all know that none of us own this. So for example, if I want to delete this Gmail button, I select on this element, we get this here, and I click on delete. Delete. And see, the Gmail button deletes from over here. And if we want to select this images one, again this delete, and it gets deleted. So you see, and then if you want to save this web page, then go over here, and from here you can click on save page as. I prefer web page complete, and this is what you all must do it, and click save. So it will get saved, and then you will never see this Gmail button or images button. But what if you did it accidentally and you want it back? Then open a new tab, close Chrome, open it again, and see, the Gmail and images button is back. So actually this editing which you do does not appear on all the pieces. It is not like that you edited this web page on your own and then on the whole world PCs you will the Gmail and images button will disappear. It will only happen on your PC. So this was all I had to share with you today. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to receive new updates, and do not forget to visit my website www.explorersoffun.com. Thanks for watching.